Hi, I'm Snehal, and today I have tried for the first time to create my own ChatGPT assistant with Toby. Now in this, I will execute the program. It is asking me what would you like me to answer, and I'll give the answer as question as what is AI question mark, and
AI, short for artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think. Like humans, it involves the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human eye. Intelligence, such as speech recognition, problem solving, decision making, and language translation. AI can be categorized into two types: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which is more advanced and can perform any intellect task that a human being can do. AI technologies include machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, among others.